Welcome back to another Match Day Vlogs. We're not at Portman Road today, we are at Green Meadows, and that's because it's the boring international break. We're going to watch Stowmarket Town versus Brentwood Town. Stowmarket are sitting bottom of the league at the moment with 1 point, so up the Town, come on, let's get 3 points today. I just want to say quickly though, £10 for an adult is very cheap, and anything else is under like pretty much a tenner is unreal value for money. Straight away, that's unreal value for money. So, Huff, the giraffe, you're with us today. What have you got?
A golden goal ticket. So it's a scratch card. Basically, you scratch that off, and if the goal is in that minute, you win something. I don't know.
What are you expecting from today's game?
Goals, injuries, red cards, bad language. The list goes on, really.
The typical non-league stuff. Right. I'm going to go with... I want to see some fights, because this is non-league, and some rough, well, not fights, but like handbags, a few rough tackles, you know, proper non-league football. I love it. It's proper good. And for a tenner for an adult, it's decent price. That's pretty good. And yeah, basically Stowmarket have conceded, I think, 14 goals in 7 games, so there's going to be some goals here, but I want Stowmarket to win. Hometown.
I think. You think?
£3.50 for that.
Bargain.
Ipswich Town, take note, this is how you do leg room. Right. Oh, look at this. So much leg room. Harvey's happy with that. Mrs. Ipswich, I forgot to ask. Well, not Mrs. Ipswich today, Mrs. Stowmarket. What do you think of the game today? What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know. I haven't been before.
Goals?
Probably not from Stowmarket. Yeah, it's good cookie.
Oh,
I've not finished it yet.
Good cookie.
Yeah.
Out of 10?
It's very close to my face.
Out of 10?
10.
10. Stowmarket. Save. Good save. Oh! What's it? No, it didn't. So every time a ball goes out, there is a man behind that fence getting the balls that go out. I love that. I love this non-league at its best. Don't know. Yeah. Oh. Don't know. Yeah. Oh. Cool. The keeper from my goal kick. Go on. Oh. Have a hit, go on. Oh! He's just been sent off. So Stowmarket have had a man sent off in I don't really know if it was a second yellow or if it was dissent. I wasn't too sure. I wasn't keeping up to date with all the bookings that have been going on because there had been about 5 in the space of about 10 minutes. Brentwood are getting quite a good overlap and run going down on the left-hand side at the moment. Their number 3's having a good game. Oh, it's right in the face. Keeper's just taken one to the face, so pretty good game of football so far. Tackle. Another booking. Is he off? Oh, that's another red. It's another red card. We just had another red card to Brentwood this time. What's going on? Unbelievable. All the action today. Hit that. Oh. And there is half time. 0-0, red card each. Come down to the corner flag now just to show off a little bit more of the ground, but firstly though, what a game of football this is. We've had 2 red cards, 1 for each team. We've had a almost wonder goal. Patiently waiting for the second half. I'm wanting some more red cards. Just want to say, this is quite a nice stadium. As non-league clubs go, this is not a bad one at all. Got a nice pitch. Nice and green as well.
Lily's nice.
Save. Another booking. Card. Another yellow. Go on, go on, go on. Oh, what a goal! That's good goalkeeping. Oh no. Keeper got man the match, so shout out to him. Big shout out. So Stowmarket lost 3-1, but to be honest, they won anyway because they got some extra money from us going because it's a non-league team and we are going to support them whilst it's international break, and that's what everyone else should do. It's go down to your local team and just watch their football. Even if they win or lose, it doesn't matter, you're still supporting a club. Yeah, but overall though, Brentwood were the better team. They had a lot more of the ball. They were very good at passing the ball around very quickly. And that kind of led to them really just winning, if I'm honest. They could pass the ball quicker, more accurate. And yeah, just what happens. But just good luck to Stowmarket. I hope they stay up because they're, like I said, they are bottom at the moment and they're struggling. But I hope they stay up. There were some good moments. That young centre-back who scored, that was a really good goal, really good technique. And incredible solo run through. So yeah, there was good there was good glimpses in that game for them. Anyway, on to the Ipswich matchday vlogs.